Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, front wheel drive. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.